Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap for Monday, September 23rd. I had a really difficult time trading at the open today. Everything just seemed super choppy to me. But yeah, I'll go over my trades. I didn't even take my first trade until 9:50, and I'll show you what I saw here. I was watching Apple. I noticed this huge bullish engulfing candle here. Um, it broke VWAP. It came back. It tested VWAP. Right when it tested VWAP and it was starting to make this 1 minute high. Right when it makes a 1 minute high, I went long with my stop right below VWAP. So the low of this candle here. Um, it popped up. It didn't quite give me my 2 to 1, but I wanted to be super nimble here. I noticed there's a level here. It was making a double top, triple top. Right when it started losing weakness here, I took a partial here. I was hoping that this was gonna get over and break that level here based on that nice good volume and a nice bounce off VWAP. But once it was struggling here, I was watching level two. It couldn't there wasn't any real green prints printing. It was just more of hitting in between and also the bid. So I just got all out, and I'm glad I did because look at this huge drop right there. But yeah, that was one trade, small little winner there. Then I was watching this for a potential short based on how it cracked VWAP and also how it wasn't able to reclaim that VWAP. If you notice here on that 5 minute chart, let me see here. Let me see here. Zoom out so you can see in the 1 minute chart. So if you notice here, it was holding these levels here. Holding these levels. It was kind of trading in this range. Also, there was a 50 moving average here. So I knew that if it cracked that, it could be a potential short. Also on the 1 minute, it had a 200 moving average. Right when it cracked that 50 moving average on the 5, you notice on the 15 minute, there's also all these moving averages here. I knew that could be potential resistance there, and it was going to be a really good short, but I really wanted to get a good entry. So I waited patiently, and right when it started pulling back, this nice little pullback here, right when it made a 1 minute low, I took it short. Also, you notice how it had all these, the 90 EMA just riding down. I took it short, new 1 minute candle. My stop was right there. Really good risk to reward. So right when it started, selling off here, I took partials super aggressively because the market's super choppy. So I just started taking partials there. Right when we got to previous close, I took majority of my shares off here. It popped back, came back down, tested previous close. I took more off just to be safe, and then I noticed, volume started to come in. But I let some shares ride to see if this can continue downwards, and I set my stop now at break even. But I noticed, I mean, look at this 5 minute candle here, hammer. Also a nice ABCD pattern for a potential bounce. So once that happened, I just got all out before I hit my break even. And I'm glad that I did because this thing ended up squeezing up. So on pretty decent volume, there's good volume here. But yeah, it was pretty much a scalp day for me here. So all in all, not gonna complain. I'm walking away with 1R. Not every day is gonna be fantastic, but yeah. If you have any question, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom, and I will get to you as soon as I can. Have a great one, everyone.